Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a crucifix. It's a very simple and easy move. It uses a crochet wrap, which I showed you in some of my earlier videos, but you're going to use your arms to do the crochet wrap this time. And when we do it, we're going to separate the fabrics and we're going to have one on each arm. So to do this, you're going to stand with the fabric on both sides, and you're actually going to swing your arms in front of the fabric to do one wrap and then a second wrap. So that's 2 crochet wraps. These are actually called egg beater wraps by some people, so if you ever hear an egg beater wrap, know that it's the same thing as a crochet wrap. So once you have 2 wraps around your arms, you're gonna grab the tails very tightly. You're gonna pull it tight so that there's no slack, and now you can actually lean into it. So from here, do 1 wrap, 2 wraps, grab the tails, tighten them if you need to, and put your weight into your arms. So from here, you can extend your arms outwards into a crucifix. And once you're in a crucifix, you can do different things with your legs. You can do a stag position. You can just keep your legs straight, which I can't do right now. You can do double stag, but it's a beautiful move. So let me show you from the back. You're going to keep your fabrics on both sides, wrap once, twice, and pull it taut, and then let go. So some people, there's an easier version for those of you that want to try this, where you have it crossed behind your back. So instead of having the fabrics behind your shoulders, you're going to keep them in front, and you're going to grab the tails, bring behind you, and you're going to cross them one over the other. And from here, you're going to wrap your arms the same way we wrapped them before. So it's going to go in once, twice, and then grab it tight. And then this side, once, twice, and then grab it tight. And you can let go, and now you're in a crucifix. And this move is a lot easier because you're putting more of your weight into your shoulders and your armpits, or you're being held by your armpits. So this move uses a lot less arm strength, but it still uses some. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Keep checking on Saturdays at 10 in the morning. I post videos once a week, and make sure to like my videos if you enjoy them and share them with people. Thank you. My name is Michelle, and have a good day.